Welcome 5th standard children. This is your 4th class. Now in the first lesson I have given you all the exercises, question answers, think and answer, and the map work, all that I have given, isn't it? All that map work. Now I hope all have completed all the exercise, all the answers, everything. And I want you all to study also all this. So just this video I am going to revise what you all have learned. Now what all you all have understood in this lesson. The first is that unique planet. Now our earth is called a unique planet. Why earth is called a unique planet? Because earth has air and water that supports life. Isn't it? That's why we are able to live on the earth. It supports life. So that's why earth is called a unique planet. Next, the shape of the earth. Now I told you what's the shape of the earth. The earth is spherical in shape. That means flattened at the poles and bulges in the middle. So spherical shape. And in this lesson also, they are telling that Ferdinand Magellan, he a Portuguese explorer, he started from one place in his ship and came back to the same starting point. So he proved that the earth is round in shape, and also photographs taken from space. Photographs from space, artificial satellite and all take photograph of the earth from space. In that photograph also, what did they find? Round shape, spherical shape. So in this way we knew that the earth is spherical in shape. The next is, what is a globe? Now what is a globe? A globe is the model of the earth, the correct. എങ്ങനെ earth ഉണ്ട് അതേമായിട്ടൊരു രൂപമാണ് globe. That's why it is called the model of the earth. And on that model we can see the oceans, continents and all. Now you all know there are 5 continents and 5 oceans and 7 continents. That I will tell you later. Now why we are not using the globe to learn? Globe means it's curved surface. So on the curved surface it's very difficult to draw and all. That's why we are using a map. Map is a flat surface. So suppose if you want to learn about Kerala, on that flat surface we can draw Kerala somewhat and then we can learn about it. But in a globe we can't do it. Same way it is difficult to carry also. And also globe means only one side of the continent will be able to see, the other part we won't be able to see at one time. So there are several reasons why we are not able to use globe to learn. So that's why we are using maps. Now maps means what? It is a representation of a part or a whole of the earth on a flat surface. That's called a map. Now there are different kind of map. Political map, physical map, then what all map? Climatic map, then industry, population, transport, minerals, crops, natural resources. Dokka kanikina maps undu. So political you all know, that shows about countries, continent, then cities and all. Physical map means that shows the physical features, mountains, rivers, plains, plateaus and all. So there are different types of map, you all know that. Now next, how can we read maps? Reading maps. How can we read maps? By looking at the direction. You all know there are 4 main directions: north, south, east, west, and intermediate directions also: northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. And also scale. By looking at the scale also we will read the map. You know scale, the ratio between the actual distance and the distance we take on the map, that's called scale of the map. Then symbols, by looking at the symbols, that also we can read the maps. And also colors, by looking at the colors. If it's brown color, that is a mountain. Now you look at the name, what mountain is there. By looking at the dark, the ocean is deep there. Light blue, the ocean is shallow there. Then looking at the green color, that is plain, all that green color. Like that way, By looking at these features, we can read the map: symbols, directions, scale, then colors. These four help us to read the map. Now, that's why they put a key of the map also. In that key, they will show brown color, mountain, then blue, dark blue, deep sea, deep ocean, then light blue, shallow, then green color, plain. By looking at the key, we will be able to read the map. So this is these are the contents in this chapter. Now just I have revised this lesson. So you all listen to this video. Once more you understand, read the lesson, study the answers and get ready. Do you understand? And only after that I can go to the second lesson. Only if you all understand, if you all learn, only then I can go to the next lesson. So that much for this class. Thank you, children.